Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A03s, and let me share with you how to enable call waiting on this device. So firstly, let's enter the dialer, and now let's tap on this three dots icon and tap on the settings. Here we have to find supplementary services. And as you can see, I've got some problems with my SIM card, but no worries. As you can see here, we've got the call waiting option, and here you can turn it on just by tapping on this switcher, and thanks to this, your device will notify you about any other incoming call if you will be right now like talking with other person on the phone. So it's quite cool option. Obviously you can turn it off whenever you want to just by tapping on this switcher again, and if it will look like it, then it means that it has been disabled. So actually this is it. This is how to actually find the call waiting option in your Samsung Galaxy A03s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.